Hey guys, this is Chase Harrison from Alta Labs. I'm going to show you how to add Alta Labs devices to the cloud management platform without having to take the product out of the box and plug it into the network. This feature comes in super handy when you are trying to configure a site in advance of the install, or if you are sending equipment out to be installed by someone that will not have access to the management platform. Before proceeding, there are a few things that are important to note. First, your serial number needs to be long enough to support this. You can easily check this by counting the number of digits after the letters BCB found in the serial number. There should be 15 additional digits. If there are not, your device does not support this feature. The good news is that if you have at least one device on the project that does support this feature, and you add that single device to a site using the method explained here, then all other devices will automatically show up as available for setup in the management platform once they are all installed. Second, for security reasons, a device that is added via serial number needs to be set up within the cloud controller within 2 weeks. If it is not set up within 2 weeks, simply add it again via serial number. Now, to access this feature, log in or create your desired site that you want to add the Alta Labs product to. Click the Network tab. Click the Options drop-down and scroll all the way to the bottom where you will see Add via Serial Number. Click this option. In the new window that appears, enter the entire serial number of the product you want to add to the site. This serial number can be found on the box label or on the product itself. Click OK. You will be prompted to power cycle the device. You will notice that it does not immediately populate in this site until the device has been powered on for the first time. This is for security purposes. You may repeat these steps for each of the Alta Labs devices you want added to the site automatically. To potentially save some time, you may also optionally add a single device via serial number to your site and then allow that device to discover the other Alta Labs devices automatically as long as they are on the same network. If you have any questions regarding this feature, or if there are features you would like to see us add to the platform, please come and engage with us at forum.alta.inc. Thanks for watching.